Professor Chi makes note of the comparative weaknesses of diesel submarines. In a related point, he explains that very significant U.S. ASW. Other points made in this Chinese analysis include the observation that the larger the battle group, the easier it is to track this more conspicuous target at long distances. Professor Chi also notes that the employment of ASW weaponry can inadvertently aid us. Another possible explanation for the skillful, simulated, attack of the Zephyr might be the French commander's capable use of naturally occurring complex hydroacoustic conditions. Early in 2015, a curious and disturbing report surfaced briefly and then disappeared, almost without a trace. The report, apparently published and then quickly retracted, had been posted by the French Ministry of Defense and concerned the successful operations of the French nuclear submarine Zephyr in an exercise pitting it against the U.S. Navy's Theodore Roosevelt aircraft carrier battle group. The somewhat shocking content of the report: the revelation that a U.S. Navy aircraft carrier group could be so vulnerable to a nuclear submarine did not make the mainstream media, and no mention was made by the many attentive defense analysts on the site, so it seems. However, the Chinese defense media does not miss much, especially concerning the capabilities of U.S. Professor Chi makes clear that he understands that an exercise can hardly be compared to real combat, and that, moreover, he evaluates U.S. Navy anti-submarine warfare, ASW, to be a highly efficient and harmonized system comprised of multiple layers of defense for an aircraft carrier. Yet, he concludes in the interview that the French report has a reasonably high degree of credibility, and this edition of Dragon Eye will examine his logic in this respect, attempting to gain insights into emergent Chinese views on the utility of nuclear submarines in modern naval warfare.